Related to health and COVID-19, the Ministry of Health has flagged down the areas of Nyanza and Western Kenya as areas with the highest rate of vaccine hesitancy in the country. Now, according to the ministry, this puts the densely populated areas at high risk of contracting COVID-19. This even as the country received 252,000 more vaccines of the recently procured Johnson & Johnson vaccines.
Even as the government continues to implement the accelerated COVID-19 vaccination campaign, areas of Nyanza and Western Kenya have been flagged off as areas with the highest level of vaccine hesitancy in the country, a matter the ministry says puts the densely populated areas at high risk of COVID-19 infections.
A county like Kakamega with an eligible population of 1 million people who should be vaccinated, the fully vaccinated are only 20,000. Likewise, Homa Bay, with an eligible population of 600,000, only 10,000 are fully vaccinated. This should be concerning to all of us as Kenyans.
The ministry now turning to politicians and influential persons in the society to counter the level of vaccine hesitancy in those areas.
We have today presented to the Senate, who are the custodian of devolution. We shared with them the performance. They noted also with concern, and they have assured us they are going to work with the county governors and other political leaders to mobilize people. Because as you know, coronavirus tends to impact places with high population.
This even as the country receives 252,000 more doses of the privately procured Johnson & Johnson vaccines, today's batch being the second J&J vaccine batch to be received in the country.
Being a single dose is going to accelerate the number of fully vaccinated Kenyans. So we should start seeing, right now we are at about 1 million fully vaccinated Kenyans, and with the arrival of this, we should see more fully vaccinated Kenyans again quickly.
Another consignment of assorted COVID-19 vaccines of over 1 million doses is expected to arrive in the country on Friday. Zainab Mohammed, 247.